Hey little monsters, welcome back to my channel. It has been such a long time since I put out these videos because it is finally the first day of school for us. My son is entering 5th grade this year. I made this little sign so he can take a first day pic with, and here we go. We're going with the bento pop today. Inside our bento pop, I have here just his favorites. So just a side note, you know, everything's gonna be like super new. This year they made a lot of changes for school. He is still in the same school, but for you guys and parents that are just starting out, try to keep things super simple in the beginning because you don't want things to be complex and you know, nerve-wracking for them. So I have here just his favorites. I have a Hawaiian roll, 2 Hawaiian rolls with some turkey and cheese. I added some mayo on the inside of the bread as well. So he has 2 sandwiches. We've actually been trying to get him to eat a lot of veggies this summer. So every day, practically every day, he actually has salad. So we have like a mixed green salad with some tomatoes and then some cucumber slices. So he's gonna have that. I have some grapes here for him. And then if you guys have been following me, you know I always throw in multivitamin gummies. I just like that as sweet kind of. So it's like a little sweet treat, like a little, I don't know, dessert. And I never really show you guys which one I use. So I actually give him the Flintstone gummies with the immunity support. We've tried other ones before. He doesn't really like them. And I just want him to take something. So whatever works is fine with me. So that's what we're going with, and I just gave him an Oreo cookie also to go with that. And then he's gonna have his favorite Cheetos to go with his lunch. That's gonna be what he's bringing for lunch. For a snack this time, we are going with our bento snacks container, and inside I have a chocolate croissant, and then I have a clementine that is peeled up. So I have that for his snack time, and then he's just gonna bring a large thermos of water that he can refill throughout the day if he needs to. That is what he's bringing to school. I hope you guys have a great first day. Comment down below and let me know if it went well, and what did you guys give your kids. Have a monster-ific one. We'll see you next time. Good morning, guys. So for our second day of school, I'm trying to keep the theme of giving him his favorites, and I asked him last night what he wanted to eat, and he said pizza. So I have here our Planet Box lunch, and I made my mini naan pizzas. So I use these Stonefire naan dippers. They come in a large pack here when you go to Costco, but then you can also get like smaller ones at the grocery store as well, and you will find this in the refrigerated section. So if you guys are looking for that, these mini ones are in the refrigerator. The larger ones you'll find like in the bread aisle. So just a side tip there, but they are just the perfect size. He only wanted cheese on them, so I made 5 of them. So I have some tomato sauce and mozzarella cheese on top, but he did ask for chicken, but wanted it on the side. So sometimes I do put the chicken on top and do like a chicken pizza, but he wanted it on the side. So I added these 2 silicone cups here. These I did have to purchase from Planet Box separately, but they are like part of the Planet Box, product line. So this chicken is what I used. I got a whole bunch of this at Costco. They come in like a pack of 10 or 12, I think. They're already pre-cooked and they're great to add on to salads. So like if you want to prepare like meal preps and stuff, like I usually do for my work lunches, these are super easy. So I actually opened this and grabbed a couple of pieces out and cut them into smaller pieces and put it in the silicone cup here since he wanted it separate. I also added his gummy vitamins here as well. And then I have a sleeve of Ritz crackers. I just kept it together just in case he doesn't get to it. He can save it for later in the day. I have some strawberries and some blueberries to go with that. And then I also am going to be giving him a bag of chips that he may or may not, again, eat as well. For a snack, we're using our Caperchi snack container. I wanted to keep things kind of small and like individualized just in case, because it's still only the second day of school. I can't really tell like how many snacks he will get during the day. So I just want to kind of give him options, and that way he can always bring it back home if he doesn't get to it. But these come in multiple sizes. So there's these 2 small and a large, and then they actually interlock like that. I have here on the smaller side something he found at the grocery store himself. These are goldfish, but these are called megabytes. They're like ginormous compared to the regular goldfish, but I have that here. And then the larger one, I have 2 clementines peeled up. So that is what he has for snack. And he will have his thermos of water. He is able to refill this throughout the day, so that's kind of convenient. And then that is what he's bringing to school. We'll see what he finishes at the end of the day. Have a good one, guys. Bye. Good morning, guys. So for lunch today, we are going with our thermos container. It's like not really often that I do hot food, but he wanted some mac and cheese today. So we're keeping the favorite themes for week number 1. And in the thermos container, it does come with a spoon in here that you could keep in the box. And then that way it's already like put together. So I have that. We're doing Minecraft, and then In here, what I usually do is I boil some hot water. I put it in the container first, leave it for about 10 minutes, dump that out, kind of wipe it down just so there's no excess water in there, and then I put the hot food in. Today we went with mac and cheese. We had some mac and cheese left over that I had added some broccoli to, so he's gonna have that for his main lunch meal. I'm gonna also give him another little mini bento. This one is Lunchbox. This is the quad. I typically use this for my work snacks and lunches, so he's actually never taken this one to school before, but this is like perfect just to have something extra to go with this. So I have here some salami. I have a mozzarella cheese stick that I cut into smaller pieces, some grapes, and then some Ritz crackers. So he can snack on that if this is not filling enough, and then whatever he doesn't finish can go into snack time. But then for snack, I did actually pack another bento. So this is a Yum Box bento. In here I have his clementine multivitamins in here, and these are mini pancakes. So I got these at Costco. They sell this bag here, and they have like several packets of it, but it basically comes in individual packets of 2 mini pancakes. They're already pre-sweetened, so you don't have to like really do anything else. Perfect for breakfast, perfect for snack time. I cut them into smaller pieces so they're more bite-sized, but they are delicious. If you guys see them, you should definitely grab them. I think your kids would love it because mine does. And then we're just gonna give him a thermos of water, and then I'll see what he finishes at the end of the day. Have a monster-ific day, guys. Good morning, guys. We are at the end of our school lunch week today. I am using the Yum Box tapas. This has now become one of my favorite boxes. I actually really like using it for myself too. It's quite spacious, so if you guys are looking for a box to grow your child into, this is like a really, really good one. I like how secure it is as well. So today I decided to end the week off with another favorite. This is chicken and cheese quesadillas. I took 2 flour tortillas. I added the chicken cheese in the middle, and then I actually cut up about 3/4 of it. So I still have a quarter of the entire quesadilla left, and then these this is the rest of it. So of course I'll just finish that up while he's in school. I have here a side salad along with these little mini grape tomatoes in here, and then I have here a few tortilla chips. In here is guacamole. Now over the summer we did try to give him new things. And my husband was pretty like big on like making him try avocado and then guacamole. So I get these cups from Kirkland. Usually I will bring this for a meal prep, or we'll just take it out if we have like some kind of taco night. And they're really nice. So I actually gave him about half of it, and he does eat it in front of us. I don't know if he's going to eat it at school, so I figured let me try something new, so that way he can dip these 2 things in there. And then I just gave him some apple slices using this cutter. Today I had already pre-soaked them in some waters just to make sure it doesn't go brown. So that is what he's bringing for lunch. Then for snack, we're using our Caperchi Kids snack. These are interlocking. These are the 2 large ones. So there's a large and a small. And then I have here 2 clementines that are peeled up. And then I have here some pretzel chips. And then I'm also going to give him some Pocky sticks as well. These are the chocolate flavored ones. They have several different flavors. But then I get this also at Costco. They sell a pack of strawberry, chocolate, and Oreo. And he likes the chocolate the most. So I'm going to add that for him as well. And then his large thermos of water. That is what he's bringing to school. So we'll see what he finishes at the end of the week. And if you guys haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and do so, as I do try to put out school lunches on a weekly basis. You can also follow me on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts, and Facebook. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a monster-ific week, and we'll see you next time. Bye.